Hey there everyone, welcome back to Pure Well Living. Today we're diving into a topic that can make your life so much easier: how to build a balanced meal plan, especially if you're always on the go. You know that feeling, right? The clock is ticking, you're starving, and the last thing you want to do is figure out what to eat. Believe me, I've been there. Between running our businesses and chasing after the kids, Chip and I know how tough it can be to eat healthy when life gets busy. So, let's get started. Step 1. Start with a plan. Take a few minutes each week to map out your meals. You don't need to plan every single meal, just the main ones. Think about what you'll have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And don't forget healthy snacks. Grab your favorite notepad, open up a spreadsheet, or jot down ideas on sticky notes. Whatever works for you. Maybe you love having overnight oats for breakfast during the week. Great! Write that down. For lunches, pack leftovers from dinner. For dinners, choose recipes that sound delicious and nourishing. Remember, it doesn't have to be fancy, just a roadmap to guide you through the week. Step 2. Focus on balance. Each meal should include a good mix of macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and fats. For example, a balanced lunch might include grilled chicken, quinoa, and a side of roasted vegetables. Think of your plate like a design project, aiming for a balance of colors, textures, and nutrients. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Think lean meats, fish, beans, lentils, tofu. There are so many delicious options. Carbohydrates provide your body with energy. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread. And don't be afraid of healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are all fantastic sources. Step 3. Batch cooking. This is a game changer for busy people. Cook large batches of staples like grains, proteins, and veggies at the beginning of the week. Store them in the fridge or freezer for easy access. Pick a day that works for you, maybe Sunday afternoon or Monday evening, and dedicate some time to cooking a few key ingredients in bulk. While you're already chopping veggies for dinner, chop a few extra for salads and snacks. Cook a big batch of quinoa or brown rice to use in grain bowls or as a side dish throughout the week. Having these pre-cooked ingredients on hand makes throwing together healthy meals a breeze. Step 4. Snack smart. Instead of reaching for chips or candy, keep healthy snacks handy. Fresh fruit, nuts, yogurt, or whole grain crackers are great options. Think of snacks as mini meals. They should provide sustained energy and keep you feeling full until your next meal. Keep a variety of fresh fruits on your counter. They're nature's candy. A handful of nuts or seeds is another great option. They're packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, which helps keep you satisfied. If you're craving something crunchy, try whole grain crackers with hummus or veggie sticks with guacamole. Step 5. Stay hydrated. Sometimes we confuse thirst with hunger, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Drinking enough water throughout the day is essential for so many bodily functions, from digestion to energy levels. Carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go and make it a habit to refill it throughout the day. If plain water isn't your thing, try adding slices of fruit, cucumbers, or herbs for a refreshing twist. I love adding a sprig of mint or a few slices of lemon or cucumber to my water. It makes it feel extra special and encourages me to drink more throughout the day. Remember, staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most powerful things you can do for your health and well-being.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments if you have any meal planning tips of your own. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.